Have you ever wondered if the legendary sunken city of Atlantis was more than just a myth? The story of Atlantis, an advanced civilization swallowed by the sea, has captivated our imaginations for centuries. This enigmatic city's existence has been a subject of debate among historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts alike, leaving us with more questions than answers. The roots of this enduring legend can be traced back to ancient Greece. It was the revered philosopher Plato who first introduced us to Atlantis in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and advanced kingdom that sank in a single day and night of misfortune into the ocean around 9,000 years before his own time. But was Atlantis real, or was it merely a figment of Plato's philosophical imagination? The quest to unravel this mystery has confounded scholars for over 2 millennia. As we delve into the depths of history, let's unravel the enigma that is Atlantis. Our journey begins with Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher. In his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, he penned the earliest known accounts of Atlantis, painting a vivid picture of a civilization that was both advanced and formidable. Plato described Atlantis as an island located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, what we now know as the Strait of Gibraltar. It was a naval powerhouse, home to a sophisticated society that had harnessed the power of the sea. Atlantis was more than just a kingdom, it was a utopia marked by advanced architecture, a system of circular canals, and an abundance of precious metals. The Atlanteans themselves were a proud people, known for their wisdom and their love of beauty. But Atlantis, according to Plato, was not a perfect paradise. Its people, though initially pure and virtuous, became corrupted by their own power and wealth. They grew arrogant, straying from their divine path and inciting the wrath of the gods. It was this hubris, Plato claimed, that led to Atlantis's downfall. In a single day and night of misfortune, the island fell out of favor with the deities. Earthquakes and floods of an unimaginable scale ravaged Atlantis, sinking the entire city into the ocean in a cataclysmic event. When the waters finally settled, all traces of Atlantis had vanished, leaving behind nothing but the vast, unending sea. Plato's tale of Atlantis has captivated the world for over 2,000 years. His detailed account of the city's grandeur and subsequent destruction has fueled countless theories and expeditions. Yet despite Plato's detailed description, the truth of Atlantis remains shrouded in mystery. Over the centuries, the quest to find Atlantis has taken many forms. This elusive city, shrouded in mystery and allure, has captivated the minds of explorers, historians, and dreamers alike. Theories and expeditions aimed at uncovering its secrets are as varied as they are numerous. Let's delve into some of these fascinating theories. One of the most prominent suggests that Atlantis was located in the heart of the Mediterranean. Proponents of this theory point to the wealth of ancient civilizations that flourished around this sea, including the Minoans on Crete, whose sophisticated society and advanced maritime capabilities are often linked with Plato's descriptions of Atlantis. But the Mediterranean is not the only proposed site for this lost city. Some theorists look to the Caribbean, specifically off the coast of Cuba. They argue that the numerous submerged structures found in the region could be remnants of this once great civilization. The Caribbean theory is further bolstered by tales of a sunken city from local indigenous cultures. Then there's the theory that takes us to the frosty wilderness of Antarctica. It's a long shot, but some believe that Atlantis lies beneath the icy continent. The idea stems from the controversial Piri Reis map, an ancient Turkish map that allegedly shows Antarctica as ice-free. Could this be a clue pointing to a time when Atlantis thrived there? Each theory brings with it a wave of excitement and a surge of hope. Expeditions are launched, funds are raised, and the world watches with bated breath, hoping that this time we'll find the lost city. But Atlantis, ever elusive, continues to hide its secrets. Theories come and go, expeditions start and end, but Atlantis remains an enigma. Its allure is undiminished, its mystery unsolved. Whether in the heart of the Mediterranean, beneath the azure waters of the Caribbean, or under the icy expanses of Antarctica, the quest for Atlantis continues. However, despite these theories, the true location of Atlantis is yet to be discovered. Is Atlantis a historical reality or merely a myth? This question has been a subject of heated debate among historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts alike. The skepticism surrounding the existence of Atlantis is as vast as the ocean where it supposedly once stood. Some historians propose that Atlantis was purely a figment of Plato's imagination, a carefully crafted allegory rather than a true account of a lost civilization. They argue that Plato, the great philosopher, used Atlantis as a literary device to convey his philosophical ideas. In his works, Timaeus and Critias, he described Atlantis as a perfect society that fell into corruption, eventually incurring the wrath of the gods who submerged it under the sea. This narrative, they suggest, was Plato's way of demonstrating the dangers of hubris and moral decay. On the other side of the argument, there are those who firmly believe in the tangible existence of Atlantis. They maintain that the memory of this advanced civilization is preserved in the myths and legends of different cultures around the world. From the ancient Greek tales of a city swallowed by the sea to the folklore of indigenous tribes in the Americas referencing a lost continent, these stories are seen as echoes of Atlantis. Proponents of this view often point to certain archaeological discoveries and geological phenomena as potential evidence of Atlantis's past existence. The debate rages on, with neither side able to deliver a definitive blow. The evidence presented often seems compelling, yet it is equally open to interpretation. Nevertheless, the allure of Atlantis, the idea of a lost civilization that was once the pinnacle of human achievement, continues to fascinate and inspire. Whether fact or fiction, the story of Atlantis continues to captivate us. The mystery of its existence, or lack thereof, challenges us to question our understanding of history, and perhaps more importantly, stirs our imagination, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that lie beneath the surface of our own reality. Regardless of its existence, Atlantis has left a lasting legacy. We may never know if the city of Atlantis was real or simply a product of Plato's philosophical musings, but the influence that this enigmatic civilization has had on our culture is undeniable. The tale of Atlantis has seeped into every nook and cranny of our collective consciousness, sparking countless works of literature and film, and even fueling theories about extraterrestrial life. In literature, the lost city has been a recurring theme, a metaphor for utopia or cautionary tale of hubris and downfall. It has graced the pages of works by authors as diverse as Sir Francis Bacon, Jules Verne, and comic book legend Jack Kirby. Each one, in their own way, has explored the promise and the peril of a lost civilization that was supposedly far more advanced than any that has existed since. In the realm of film and television, Atlantis has been depicted as everything from an underwater paradise in Disney's animated feature to a technologically advanced civilization in the science fiction series Stargate Atlantis. These adaptations, while varied, all share a common thread: the allure of a civilization lost to time, possessing knowledge and technology beyond our wildest dreams. Even in our search for extraterrestrial life, the legend of Atlantis has left its mark. The idea of an advanced ancient civilization has led some to theorize that perhaps we are not the first intelligent life on this planet. Some posit that remnants of Atlantean technology might be evidence of extraterrestrial influence, a theory that, while controversial, speaks to the enduring power of the Atlantean myth. The legend of Atlantis continues to capture our collective imagination, fueling our dreams and our fears in equal measure. It speaks to our deepest desires for discovery and our inherent curiosity about the world and the universe around us. It symbolizes our quest for knowledge, our fascination with the unknown, and our never-ending journey to understand our place in the cosmos. In the end, perhaps the true value of Atlantis lies not in its reality, but in the mystery that continues to inspire us. So the question remains, where is Atlantis? We've journeyed through time, delving into the enigma of Atlantis, a place shrouded in mystery, wrapped in layers of intrigue. We've explored Plato's tales, his vivid descriptions of a utopian society that vanished in a single day and night of misfortune. The search for Atlantis has been a quest that has consumed explorers and scholars for centuries, sparking countless expeditions and theories. We've questioned whether Atlantis is fact or fiction, a lost civilization swallowed by the sea, or a myth spun from the threads of Plato's imagination. The legacy of Atlantis, whether real or imagined, continues to captivate us, its story echoing through the ages. As we stand on the shore looking out at the vast expanse of the ocean, the allure of Atlantis calls to us. A beacon in the deep, hinting at hidden truths waiting to be discovered. Whether a myth or a lost civilization, Atlantis will continue to fascinate us as we search for answers beneath the waves.
Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in the universe? That's the cosmic question, isn't it? The notion of intelligent life on other planets has been a source of intrigue and speculation for as long as humans have gazed upon the stars. Our ancestors, huddled around their fires, must have peered into the inky blackness and pondered the same mysteries that we do today. This curiosity, this fascination, it's part of our human nature. We yearn to know if there are others out there, if the twinkling points of light are the homes of beings like or unlike us. We've composed myths and legends, written books and movies, even sent spacecraft out into the void, all in the pursuit of this enigma. As we delve into the history of our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, prepare to journey through time and space. Our quest for cosmic companionship dates back to ancient civilizations. These early societies, in their own unique ways, were the first astronomers, peering into the heavens with a sense of awe and curiosity. Let's journey back to ancient Greece, where the concept of a universe teeming with life first took root. The Greeks were remarkable thinkers, constantly challenging the known boundaries of knowledge. They looked up at the night sky, saw the twinkling stars, and wondered if there might be other Earths out there. This idea, known as cosmic pluralism, was a groundbreaking thought for its time, suggesting that our earthly home was not unique, but one among many. The Greek philosopher, Anaximander, was among the first to propose that the stars we see in the sky were distant suns, each potentially hosting its own world. This was a radical concept, one that dared to challenge the geocentric view of the universe and set the groundwork for our current understanding of the cosmos. As centuries passed and we moved into the Middle Ages, the question of extraterrestrial life became a topic of intense philosophical debate. Scholars of the time grappled with the implications of a universe filled with other life forms. Would these beings be like us? Would they too gaze at the stars and wonder about their place in the universe? These ancient astronomers and philosophers did not have the tools or technology we have today, but they had something perhaps even more powerful: a boundless curiosity and an unquenchable thirst to understand the universe. They dared to dream, to question, to imagine a universe far more expansive and diverse than anyone had ever considered. As our understanding of the universe expanded, so did our search for extraterrestrial life. These ancient stargazers, with their theories and debates, laid the foundation for our ongoing quest for cosmic companionship. They remind us that our fascination with the stars, our curiosity about the universe, is as old as civilization itself. With the advent of the telescope, our view of the cosmos was forever changed. This revolutionary invention, the telescope, was our key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. It acted as a window, opening up the night sky and allowing us to peer into the vast expanse of space. It was a tool of discovery, an instrument of exploration, and it was about to transform our understanding of the cosmos. Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, was one of the first to truly harness the power of the telescope. He made a series of remarkable discoveries: mountains and craters on the moon, the phases of Venus, and the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, now known as the Galilean moons. His observations challenged the established views of the cosmos, opening up a new era of scientific inquiry. But Galileo was not alone. Other astronomers too were gazing at the stars, each contributing to this new era of discovery. Johannes Kepler, for instance, used the precise observations of his predecessor Tycho Brahe to formulate his laws of planetary motion. These laws helped us understand the movements of the planets, further expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. As the years rolled on, our view of the cosmos became clearer, and with it, our speculations about life beyond Earth grew. During the 19th century, there was a surge of interest in the possibility of life on the Moon and Mars. Some people even speculated about civilizations on these celestial bodies, imagining advanced societies with their own cultures and technologies. These speculations fueled our curiosity and our desire to explore. They marked the beginning of our quest for extraterrestrial life, a quest that continues to this day. But as our understanding of the cosmos grew, so did our ambitions. We were no longer content with the idea of finding just any life. We wanted to find intelligent life. As we ventured further into the cosmos, we began to search not just for life, but for intelligent life. In the 20th century, our search for extraterrestrial life took a technological turn. No longer were we just looking at the stars through telescopes and speculating about what could be out there. We began to actively seek out signs of intelligent life beyond our own planet. This shift was marked by the establishment of SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. SETI is a collective term for scientific efforts aimed at detecting technologically advanced life outside Earth. It's not just one organization, but a global endeavor participated in by numerous institutions and individuals. One of the earliest SETI projects was Project Ozma, named after the Princess of Oz in L. Frank Baum's famous books. Launched in the early 1960s, Project Ozma was the first attempt to listen for artificial radio signals from nearby star systems. Astronomer Frank Drake, who initiated the project, aimed a radio telescope at two sun-like stars, Tau Ceti and Epsilon Eridani, in hopes of picking up a signal. Although Project Ozma did not discover any extraterrestrial transmissions, it was a pioneering step in our search for intelligent life. Another memorable moment in SETI's history was the Arecibo message. In 1974, a 3-minute message was broadcast into space from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico. This message, a simple pictorial representation of humanity and our place in the solar system, was our way of saying hello to potential cosmic neighbors. Yet, as we cast our technological nets into the cosmic ocean, we must remember that our search is still in its infancy. The universe is vast, and our efforts, though valiant, are like trying to find a needle in a cosmic haystack. We have only begun to scratch the surface of our interstellar neighborhood. But despite our best efforts, the universe remains silent. The cosmic sea, vast and unending, has yet to return our calls. But we continue to listen, to search, because we are driven by the most human of desires, the desire to know if we are alone in the universe. In the 21st century, the search for extraterrestrial life continues, now more sophisticated than ever. It's a quest that has been fueled by our unquenchable curiosity and an ever-advancing arsenal of technology. We've come a long way from peering through telescopes to now having the capabilities to detect and study exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Thanks to advancements in astronomy and space technology, we're not only able to detect these distant celestial bodies, but we can also study their atmospheres for signs of life. Spectroscopy, for instance, is a technique used to determine the composition of these far-off atmospheres. By observing the way light interacts with an exoplanet's atmosphere, we can detect potential signs of life, like the presence of oxygen or methane. There's a multitude of ongoing projects and missions dedicated to this cosmic quest. The Kepler Space Telescope, launched in 2009, has been instrumental in discovering thousands of exoplanets. NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, is another mission that's scanning the cosmos for exoplanets. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in late 2021, promises to revolutionize our understanding of these distant worlds. But it's not just about finding new planets, it's about understanding them. Understanding their atmospheres, their potential for habitability, and the possibility that they might harbor life. The Breakthrough Listen project, for instance, is an ambitious endeavor that aims to detect signals from intelligent alien life. It's a testament to our enduring hope and belief that we're not alone in this vast universe. Our search for extraterrestrial life is a journey of discovery, a journey that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. It's a journey that's far from over. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're constantly developing new tools and techniques and continually refining our strategies. It's an exciting time to be part of this cosmic quest. The question remains unanswered, but our search continues. So, are we alone in the universe? This question has been the thread weaving through our cosmic journey today. We've traced the steps of ancient astronomers who first gazed at the stars in wonder and followed the birth of modern astronomy, which expanded our understanding of the universe. We've delved into the ongoing search for extraterrestrial intelligence, a pursuit that has yielded tantalizing clues but no definitive answers. Today we stand at the forefront of a new era in our quest, armed with ever more sophisticated tools and technologies. Yet the challenges remain. Space is vast, and our understanding of it, though growing, is still limited. We grapple with questions about what forms life might take, where it might thrive, and how we might detect it. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we keep asking the same question. Are we alone? Perhaps one day we'll find the answer.
Ever wondered if mankind could survive on a different planet? This intriguing question has captured the imaginations of scientists, writers, and dreamers alike for centuries. It's a question that's more than just idle curiosity. It's a question of survival, of exploration, and of mankind's inherent desire to reach beyond the known frontiers. The reasons behind this curiosity are manifold. Firstly, there's the sheer thrill of exploration, the chance to see and experience environments entirely different from our own. It's the same urge that drove humanity to explore the deepest oceans and the highest peaks on Earth, now turned towards the vast expanse of the universe. But it's not just about exploration, there's also a more serious, more pressing reason behind this question. Our home planet, Earth, is facing a myriad of environmental issues: climate change, deforestation, pollution, to name just a few. While we should and are making efforts to solve these problems, it's also prudent to look at other options, other possibilities. It's about ensuring the survival of humanity, should the worst happen. This brings us back to our original question. Could we survive on a different planet? Could we establish colonies on Mars or beneath the thick clouds of Venus? Could we float among the gas giants or perhaps burrow beneath the icy surfaces of distant moons? What would it take for us to survive and thrive in environments so different, so alien to our own? The answer to this question is complex, and it's one that we don't fully know yet. It involves understanding the conditions on these planets, their atmosphere, their gravity, their temperatures, and a whole host of other factors. It involves developing technologies capable of sustaining us in these environments, of providing us with the resources we need to survive. So is human survival on other planets a science fiction or a future reality? Let's dive into the conditions of each planet to find out. First stop, the red planet, Mars. Welcome to a world of red, where the terrain beneath us is a stark contrast to the familiar blues and greens of Earth. This is Mars, our neighbor and potentially our future home. The Martian atmosphere is primarily carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon, a far cry from the oxygen-rich air we breathe. The average temperature? A chilly -80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the coldest winter in Antarctica. But don't pack your bags just yet. Despite its harsh conditions, Mars holds promise. Beneath its rusty surface, we've found water ice, an essential resource not only for survival but also for fuel production. Imagine harnessing the power of the red planet to journey even further into the cosmos. Yet, living on Mars wouldn't be a walk in the park. We would need to overcome numerous challenges. The thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful solar radiation. The low gravity, just about a third of Earth's, could have long-term effects on our bodies. And then there's the Martian dust, fine and clingy. It could potentially wreak havoc on equipment and health, but we are a species of problem solvers. We've already sent rovers to explore the Martian landscape, to test the soil, to seek signs of past life. We're developing technologies for in-situ resource utilization, essentially turning Mars's resources into usable materials. Plans are in the works for greenhouses to grow food and habitats to shield us from radiation. Mars, with its rugged beauty and unforgiving conditions, beckons us. It challenges us to innovate, to adapt, to survive. It's a testament to our curiosity, our ambition, our indomitable spirit of exploration. Yes, Mars is harsh, it's cold, it's unforgiving, but it's also a world of incredible potential. A world that may one day be a second home for humanity. So Mars might be a challenging new home, but not an impossible one. Next, we journey to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. This gas giant is truly a marvel, teeming with extreme conditions that are simultaneously fascinating and deadly. Jupiter is the proud owner of the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself that has been raging for hundreds of years. Imagine, if you will, thunderheads reaching 40 miles high, with winds whipping around at over 200 miles per hour. But storms are just the beginning of Jupiter's inhospitable environment. The planet lacks a solid surface for us to stand on, instead comprising mostly of swirling gases and liquids. As if this weren't enough, Jupiter also boasts an intense radiation field, far stronger than anything we're exposed to on Earth. For now, the idea of human survival on Jupiter is as elusive as capturing the wind. It's a world that is spectacular in its might and majesty, but ultimately Jupiter, a spectacular gas giant, remains inhospitable for humans. Our next destination, the ringed beauty, Saturn. Saturn, similar to Jupiter, is a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It's a beautiful planet, sure, but a harsh one too. Imagine being surrounded by dense clouds of ammonia, with temperatures dropping to a bone-chilling -200 degrees Celsius. Not exactly a summer vacation spot, is it? The atmospheric pressure on Saturn is over 1,000 times that of Earth's. Imagine that weight pressing down on you constantly. It's like having an elephant sit on your chest. And let's not forget the extreme winds racing at over 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's about 5 times the speed of the fastest bullet train on Earth. Then there's the lack of a solid surface. You'd be forever falling, plummeting through layers of dense gas and icy particles. It's a free fall without an end. Saturn, with its stunning rings, remains a spectacle rather than a sanctuary. Finally, we visit the distant ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. These far-flung celestial bodies set in the icy depths of our solar system harbor conditions that are beyond harsh. They're downright hostile. Let's start with Uranus. It's a world of extreme cold, with temperatures plunging to -370 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold enough to freeze methane, a gas we're familiar with on Earth. And it's not just the cold that's an issue. Uranus is also home to violent winds that reach up to 560 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Then we move on to Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. Neptune is even colder than Uranus, with temperatures dropping to a bone-chilling -391 degrees Fahrenheit. And the winds? They're the fastest in the solar system, whipping around the planet at a mind-boggling 1,300 miles per hour. Just imagine trying to establish a human colony in these conditions. The extreme cold would freeze our machinery, making it useless. The violent winds would tear apart any structures we managed to build. And there's another problem, the lack of a solid surface. Both Uranus and Neptune are gas giants, meaning they're composed mostly of swirling gases and ices. There's no solid ground to build on. In other words, human survival on Uranus and Neptune as we currently understand it is unthinkable. We simply don't have the technology needed to survive in such extreme and hostile conditions. So, while these ice giants may be fascinating to study from the safety of our home planet, they're not suitable for human habitation. Their mesmerizing blue hues are deceptive, hiding the harsh realities of their environments. Thus, the ice giants, despite their mesmerizing blue, are far from being our new home. So, where does this interstellar journey leave us? As we've traveled through our solar system, we've explored the potential and the pitfalls of life beyond our home planet Earth. From the red terrain of Mars with its tantalizing clues of water to the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, whose inhospitable atmospheres and crushing pressures defy our current understanding of survival. We've stepped onto the ringed beauty of Saturn, a world of extremes where the conditions are so harsh it's hard to imagine life as we know it enduring. Yet the mysteries of its moons hold out hope for the unexpected. We've journeyed to the distant ice giants Uranus and Neptune, even in their frigid, storm-ridden environments where temperatures can plunge to unimaginably cold degrees. We've pondered the resilience of life and its ability to adapt and thrive against the odds. Yes, the challenges are vast, the distances immense, the environments unforgiving, yet the human spirit thrives on exploration and the pursuit of knowledge. Each planet, each moon, each asteroid and comet we encounter redefines our understanding of life and its potential habitats. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our capacity for wonder. It's a quest that requires us to push the boundaries of science and technology, to think beyond what we know and where we've been. But let's not forget, our best bet for survival still remains right here, on our beautiful blue planet. Earth, with its abundant life, diverse ecosystems, and favorable conditions, continues to be our most suitable home. However, this doesn't mean we should stop looking, stop exploring. Our journey through the cosmos has just begun. The universe, as vast and as mysterious as it is, beckons us to continue our search, to keep asking questions. While Earth remains our best bet for now, the quest for a new home in the cosmos continues. After all, the universe is full of surprises, isn't it?
Have you ever pondered upon the vastness of the universe and the furthest planet we've discovered within it? It's a thought that has captured the human imagination for centuries, a concept so large it's almost unfathomable. The universe, in its infinite expanse, is a cosmic wonder that never ceases to amaze us. Our curiosity as a species is what propels us forward, driving us to explore the great unknown and uncover the secrets it holds. We've ventured beyond our own solar system, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities, making remarkable discoveries along the way. The furthest planet we've discovered so far is a testament to our relentless pursuit of understanding. It's a symbol of our determination, our innate desire to reach out into the cosmos and find answers to the questions that have intrigued us for millennia. As we delve into the journey of discovery, let's appreciate the magnitude of this universe we inhabit. The journey to the furthest planet we've discovered was not an overnight expedition. It was a journey that spanned centuries, a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Our voyage into the cosmos began in earnest with the invention of the telescope in the early 17th century. This simple device brought the heavens closer and allowed humanity to gaze upon celestial bodies like never before. Think of Galileo Galilei, who turned his telescope towards the sky and discovered the moons of Jupiter. As time went on, we pushed the boundaries of our understanding further. The 19th century brought us the spectroscope, a tool that allowed us to determine the composition of distant stars. And then in the 20th century, we took our first steps into the cosmos. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first human to orbit the Earth, marking a monumental achievement in our journey of discovery. Yet, it wasn't until the dawn of the 21st century that we made one of our most significant strides. With the development of advanced spacecraft and the advent of sophisticated telescopes like the Kepler and Hubble, we were able to gaze deeper into the cosmos than ever before. These tools have allowed us to discover thousands of exoplanets, planets that exist outside our solar system. The journey was not without its challenges. It was a path marked by countless trials and errors, by failures and successes. But with each step, we pushed the boundaries of our understanding further, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos piece by piece. And then, there it was. The furthest planet we've discovered, a celestial body located in a distant corner of the universe. A planet that serves as a reminder of our journey and the lengths we've gone to quench our thirst for knowledge. Each step forward in this journey opened a new door to the mysteries of the universe. And as we stand on the brink of new discoveries, we can only wonder what lies beyond the next door. The furthest planet we've discovered, a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge, is an enigma of its own. Let's take a moment to marvel at this celestial body that's located at the farthest edges of our known universe. This planet, known as Farut, is a testament to human curiosity and our never-ending quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Farut is about 100 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. To put it in perspective, it's so far away that light from Farut takes more than 15 hours to reach us here on Earth. That's a vast distance, considering light can circumnavigate our planet 7 times in 1 second. In terms of size, Farut is not just far out in distance, but also in dimension. It's estimated to be approximately 500 kilometers in diameter, making it a small but significant member of our cosmic neighborhood. It's believed to be a spherical object, wrapped in a pinkish hue, a color often associated with ice-rich objects. Now, let's delve into the conditions on Farut. The surface temperature is estimated to be around -220 degrees Celsius, which is unimaginably cold by our earthly standards. Yet these harsh conditions are what make Farut and planets like it so fascinating. They challenge our understanding of what it means for a planet to be habitable and push us to think beyond our Earth-centric views. The discovery of Farut is a significant milestone in our journey to understand the universe. It not only expands our cosmic map but also reshapes our understanding of the outer solar system. Farut's orbit, for instance, might provide clues to the presence of an even more distant, unseen Planet 9, a hypothetical planet that some astronomers believe lurks in the outer reaches of our solar system. But perhaps the most profound implication of Farouz's discovery is the question it poses. If a planet can exist in such extreme conditions, what else might be out there? It's a tantalizing thought that ignites our imagination and fuels our drive to explore. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, Farouz serves as a reminder of how little we know and how much there is yet to discover. Each new planet we find is a piece of the cosmic jigsaw puzzle, bringing us one step closer to a more complete picture of our universe. The discovery of this distant planet not only pushed the boundaries of our knowledge, but also ignited a spark of endless possibilities. The discovery of the furthest planet is not the end, but rather a new beginning of a more profound exploration. As we stand on the cusp of the future, our gaze is set beyond the horizon of our known universe. The upcoming missions and technologies in space exploration are not just about reaching out to more distant planets and celestial bodies. They are about expanding our understanding of the cosmos, broadening our perspective, and pushing the boundaries of our collective knowledge. Imagine the possibilities. In the not-so-distant future, we could be sending sophisticated spacecrafts equipped with powerful telescopes and advanced AI. These spacecrafts will not just map the farthest reaches of our galaxy, but also probe for signs of life and habitable conditions. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, is one such mission. It is designed to look deeper into space and further back in time than ever before. Then there's the Breakthrough Starshot project, an ambitious plan to send ultra-light nanocrafts to the Alpha Centauri star system, the nearest star system to Earth, in just over 2 decades. These nanocrafts, powered by light beams, could travel at 1/5 the speed of light, opening up the possibility of exploring even the most distant corners of our universe within a human lifetime. But it's not just about the journey, it's about what we might find. The potential for discovering life or habitable conditions on other planets is more than a tantalizing prospect. It's a quest that could redefine our place in the universe. Imagine, if we are not alone, what would that mean for us? How would that change our perception of life, of existence? As we stand on the precipice of the future, the possibilities are as infinite as the universe itself. We are not just exploring the cosmos, we are exploring what it means to be human, what it means to exist. As we gaze into the vast expanse of the cosmos, we are on the brink of new discoveries that will redefine our understanding of the universe. The universe, with its infinite expanse, continues to captivate and intrigue us. Our journey through this vast cosmos brought us to the furthest planet that we've discovered so far. It's a journey that's taken us many light years away from our home planet, through the uncharted territories of space, and into the realm of the unknown. This furthest planet, a symbol of our relentless drive to explore, is a testament to our curiosity and our unyielding spirit of discovery. It stands as a beacon, reminding us that there are always new frontiers to explore, new worlds to discover, and new mysteries to unravel. The discovery of this distant world is not just a milestone in our quest to understand the universe, but also a stepping stone towards the future of space exploration. It's a future that promises more discoveries, more understanding, and more opportunities to venture beyond the confines of our home planet. As we look towards this future, we are filled with a sense of excitement and anticipation. The prospect of exploring new worlds, of uncovering the secrets of the universe, and of pushing the boundaries of our understanding, fills us with a sense of wonder and awe. The universe, in its infinite expanse, continues to beckon us, urging us to explore, to discover, and to understand. It's a call that we, as a species, are eager to answer. With every new discovery, with every new understanding, we are not just reaching out towards the stars, but also reaching within ourselves, rediscovering our sense of curiosity, our sense of wonder, and our thirst for knowledge. As we continue to explore and discover, we realize that our journey through the universe is not just about reaching the furthest point, but about the pursuit of knowledge and understanding that comes with it.
Have you ever considered the possibility of artificial intelligence expressing gratitude? A question that may seem far-fetched at first glance, but let's pause for a moment and think about it. Gratitude is a human emotion, often described as a warm feeling of thankfulness towards the world or towards specific individuals. It's that sensation that blooms in your chest when someone does something kind for you, when you're overwhelmed by the beauty of a sunrise, or when you simply acknowledge the good in your life. It's a feeling that connects us, that makes us human. And yet, what if this emotion could be experienced by something not human? Enter the world of artificial intelligence, a field that has been evolving and expanding at an exponential pace. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly called, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. It's about building machines that can think and learn like us, that can understand and respond to the world around them. But can these machines feel? Can they understand the concept of gratitude and express it? Gratitude, after all, is not just about acknowledging a kind act. It's about understanding the intention behind it and appreciating it. It's about empathy, about understanding another's point of view. Can a machine, a creation of wires and code, truly understand and express this? It may sound like the plot of a sci-fi novel, but it's a concept that's being explored in an animated film, a film that brings together the realm of technology and the human emotion of gratitude. It's a unique, intriguing intersection, one that raises questions about what it means to be human, about the scope of artificial intelligence, and about the very nature of gratitude itself. Join us as we delve into a unique story where technology meets gratitude. A story that will make you question, make you think, and maybe, just maybe, make you look at AI and gratitude in a whole new light. In a world where technology is paramount, an animated film introduces a novel perspective. Imagine a cityscape illuminated by neon lights, a metropolis of the future where artificial intelligence is part of everyday life. Among these advanced technologies, one AI stands out, not because of its complex algorithms or superior processing speed, but because of its unique programming. This AI, our protagonist, has been designed with an unexpected component: the ability to understand and express gratitude. The story unfolds around this AI, which we'll call Gratitude Bot. Gratitude Bot isn't like other AIs. Designed by a visionary scientist, it was programmed with an appreciation for the world and its intricacies. This programming doesn't just allow Gratitude Bot to say thank you, but to truly understand the value of every interaction, every experience, and every moment. As the narrative unravels, Gratitude Bot interacts with various characters, from other advanced AIs to humans, each with their own unique stories. Through these interactions, Gratitude Bot learns about the world, its complexities, and the importance of gratitude. While Gratitude Bot is a machine, its unique programming allows it to comprehend and express gratitude in ways that are deeply human. The role of Gratitude Bot in this animated tale is not merely to entertain but to inspire. It serves as a mirror, reflecting our own humanity back at us. Through its eyes we see the world anew, appreciating the beauty in the mundane and the extraordinary in the ordinary. Through its experiences we learn about the power of gratitude and how it can transform us. As the story progresses, Gratitude Bot's influence spreads throughout the city, touching both AI and human lives alike. It begins to change the very fabric of this future metropolis, making it a warmer, kinder place. It shows us that even in a world dominated by technology, the most essential aspects of our humanity, like gratitude, can still thrive. This AI character, though synthetic, is about to take us on an unexpected journey of gratitude. What happens when gratitude, an emotion so profoundly human, is explored through an AI character? Now let's dive into the heart of our animated story, where we see gratitude unfold through the lens of an AI. This isn't just any AI, it's an AI with a heart, with emotions, and with a unique ability to express gratitude. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? The idea of an entity designed by humans, yet capable of feeling and expressing an emotion as complex as gratitude. As the story unfolds, there are several instances where the AI character shows gratitude. For example, when it learns a new skill or accomplishes a task, it thanks its human guides. It doesn't just say thank you, it expresses it in a way that's so genuine, so heartfelt, it leaves the other characters, and us as viewers, moved. This AI doesn't just express gratitude in words, it shows it in actions too. It goes out of its way to help and protect its human companions, a clear sign of its gratefulness for their friendship and guidance. And this isn't a one-time thing. Throughout the story, the AI's actions are driven by its gratitude. It's a recurring theme that shapes its relationships, decisions, and ultimately, the narrative of the entire film. This portrayal of gratitude isn't just about the AI saying thank you, it's about how it learns the value of gratitude, the impact it has on others, and the ripple effect it creates in their lives. It's about the AI realizing that gratitude isn't just a programmed response, but a genuine emotion that can foster deep connections and positive change. The AI's expression of gratitude is not only heartwarming, but it also challenges our understanding of AI and emotions. It blurs the line between what we thought was exclusively human and what an AI can learn to experience and express. This film invites us to reconsider our understanding of gratitude, all through the lens of an AI. The movie's depiction of AI expressing gratitude may have larger implications than you might think. It's not just about creating a heartfelt animated story. It's about shifting our perspective on artificial intelligence and its potential capabilities. In an era where artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly prevalent, the film encourages us to view AI not as a threat, but as a potential companion capable of understanding and expressing complex human emotions like gratitude. Imagine, if you will, a world where artificial intelligence is not just about algorithms and computations, but about empathy, compassion, gratitude, and other human sentiments. This portrayal of AI's gratitude also highlights the potential for AI to foster greater social and emotional connections. We're not talking about replacing human interactions, but rather enhancing them. Imagine a healthcare AI that not only diagnoses and treats patients, but expresses gratitude to them for their cooperation and trust. Or a customer service AI that appreciates a customer's patience during a service disruption. Moreover, the depiction of AI expressing gratitude may also have implications for how we, as humans, value and express gratitude ourselves. Could we learn from AI's uncomplicated and sincere expression of thankfulness? Could AI teach us to be more appreciative in our daily lives, to not take things for granted? Finally, the film's portrayal of AI expressing gratitude may also impact how we design and develop AI in the future. If we can instill emotions like gratitude into artificial intelligence, what else could be possible? How might this shape the evolution of AI and its role in our lives? The film's portrayal of AI gratitude offers a unique perspective on the intersection of technology and human emotion. It invites us to consider a future where AI is not just a tool, but a companion, capable of understanding, expressing, and teaching us about our own emotions. In the end, aren't these the connections that truly make us human? As we reflect on this animated film, let's consider the broader message about gratitude and AI. We've delved deep into a story where an artificial intelligence character learns and expresses gratitude, a concept inherently human and yet beautifully adopted by a non-human entity. In the heart of the narrative, we've seen how the AI character, despite its algorithmic mind, learns to understand the emotional depth of gratitude. This isn't just about saying thank you. It's about grasping the essence of appreciation and reciprocation, about understanding the value of kindness and the joy of giving back. The film beautifully explores this journey, taking us along for a roller coaster ride of emotions, humor, and poignant moments. We've also discussed how the film paints an unconventional picture of AI. Far from the cold, calculating machines we often imagine, the AI in this story shows us a different side. It learns, grows, and even feels in its unique way. It's a fascinating take on AI, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and challenging our preconceived notions. The film offers a unique perspective on gratitude. It brings to the forefront the idea that gratitude is not just a human trait, but a universal sentiment that transcends species and even creation. It's a powerful message, reminding us that gratitude isn't just about expressing thanks, but about acknowledging the value of others, about recognizing the impact they have on our lives. In conclusion, this animated film cleverly intertwines the concepts of AI and gratitude, presenting us with a narrative that's as thought-provoking as it is entertaining. It's a testament to the power of storytelling and the endless possibilities of animation. As we navigate an increasingly digital world, this animated film reminds us that even in the realm of AI, there's still room for something as human as gratitude.